The Networkdays function will calculate the number of working days between two dates. It can then exclude weekends and any holidays that you specify. There are three fields which must be entered within the formula. First of all is our start date, the second parameter is our end date, and the third parameter is the holidays, which is an optional parameter whereby you specify dates you want excluded, such as annual leave or Christmas, etc. So let's look at an example here. Firstly, we want to calculate the working days between the 8th of March, the 1st of March 2018 and the 7th of March 2020. Simply open up our Networkdays function. Our start date is the date specified in column A. Our end date will be the date specified in column B. And we're not going to specify any holidays in this one, so we only use the first two parameters specified above. And this will give you a calculation of how many working days there are between the two dates. And then drag that down to get the difference here between the 25th of April 2019 and the 30th of July 2020. You can see there's 331 working days between those days. But in our example here, we want to look at, we want to calculate the number of working days between the two dates, but we also have 3 days here specified as annual leave, so we want to include that as our calculation. Open up our Networkdays function, select our start date, which is in column A, we select our end date, which is B13, and then we want to just select our annual leave day, so we select the data here in row 17 to 19. And here it'll specify the number of working days minus the annual leave days. This is a handy tool if you're in project management or if you're looking at resourcing and resource allocation.